Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this show, I'm going to do a battery drain test in the Aura 9X device. So while playing the videos in the MX player. So right now I charged the mobile to the 100%. So this is a mobile which comes with a Kirin 810 processor. This is a Chinese variant model, so not the Indian version. So the Aura 9X comes with a 4000 mAh of capacity battery. So do check the links in description for the playlist of Aura 9X device. So you can find plenty of videos on the Aura 9X alone. As you can see in the playlist, so there are other smartphones which I reviewed, and there are so many videos on each smartphone I reviewed. So let me open the MX player and the video. And right now let me start the stopwatch by disconnecting the charger. So let me show you exactly how much brightness I'm using right now in this video. So I'll be using with a 50% of brightness. As you can see guys, so see, this is a number which I've been using in the MX player, 7. So I'll be continuously playing this same video in a loop, and let's check how long you can play the videos in the Aura 9X device. As you can see, the stopwatch has been started, and I'll be back after a couple of hours, and let's check how much drain the battery is in the Aura 9X device. Overall, the display quality is very good in the Aura 9X phone. So definitely worth of buying the phone. For the display, again I'll be back after a couple of hours. So as you can see friends, it's been more than 14 hours of continuous video playback in the Aura 9X device. And let's check what is the battery percentage right now it is in the phone. So as you can see here, 24%. So the battery percentage of 24% guys. So overall we can expect up to 7 to 8% drop for every 1 hour of watching the videos continuously. So if you take this kind of into the calculations, overall you can play more to 3 to 4 hours of video playback is possible. So if you add 3 to 4 hours to the 14 hours mark here, so overall you can expect up to 17 to 19 hours of video playback test in the Aura 9X device, depending on the brightness and the volume you choose. So these are overall video battery drain test in the Aura 9X device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the links in description for the complete in-depth reviews about the Aura 9X phone. So see you in the next video guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.